Global stocks surged and oil prices tumbled on Wednesday amid reports that the United States is pursuing a month-long ceasefire in its war on Iran, including a 15-point plan sent to Tehran for talks that could restart Persian Gulf oil exports. S&P 500 futures rose 0.9% during Asia trading, European futures climbed 1.2%, and Brent crude plunged nearly 6% to $98.30 per barrel. Australia's .AXJO, South Korea's .KS11, and Japan's .Nikkei N225 each gained around 2% in morning sessions, while gold climbed 1.6% as investors covered profits from its prior rally. The market is trading the headlines at the moment, noted Kerry Craig, global market strategist at JP Morgan Asset Management in Melbourne. So there's a positive tone. The difficulty is now, there are still unknowns about where this actually goes from here and whether there's anything material in terms of a ceasefire. President Donald Trump stated Tuesday that negotiations were progressing, securing a key concession from Tehran, with a source confirming the 15-point proposal. Israel's Channel 12, citing 3 sources, reported the ceasefire bid for discussions, though Tehran denies direct talks. Markets showed cautious optimism despite ongoing US, Israeli, and Iranian strikes and plans to deploy thousands from the Army's 82nd Airborne Division to the Middle East. The dollar eased slightly to 158.8 yen and $1. 16.20 per euro, while Brent remains 35% higher since the war began, near $100, straining Asian buyers for jet fuel and diesel. Interest rate markets anticipate aggressive hikes in Europe, Britain, Japan, and Australia to combat inflation, with no more US cuts expected. US 10-year Treasury yields dipped 5 basis points to 4.34%, and 2-year yields fell similarly to 3.875%. Mark Velan, head of investments at Lucerne Asset Management in Singapore, described a reactive market. Until there is clearer alignment from both sides, I would expect price action to remain fragile. People are reluctant to chase moves that are entirely headline-driven and can reverse quickly. The Australian dollar held near 70 US cents after softer pre-war inflation data, while credit markets flashed stress signals. Ars Management capped withdrawals at a private debt fund, its shares down 36% this year after a 1% drop Tuesday on $623 billion in assets. With Strait of Hormuz reopening unclear, traders remain on edge as headline-driven volatility persists amid sustained conflict risks.